Hey bunnies, welcome to another video. For today's video, we're going to be doing an unboxing. Now, before we begin, I have to give you guys a backstory. Like, honestly, truly, I am so tired. I've been up since 6:45 this morning. I got up, worked out, got ready for work, went to work. And getting ready includes hair and makeup. There's a whole hour process. I did a 10-hour shift. I broke a nail. I am tired. I am so tired. But I got home, walked into my room, looked on my bed, and this is what was waiting for me. Oh my goodness. This is going to be Coach unboxing. We are unboxing some boots. Now I know they're boots because it shows it right here on the side. Let me see if I can zoom in and you see it properly. There you go. Yeah? Okay. So the name of the boots is Iliana. It's a leather boot in black. It's a US size 9. It's 360 Canadian dollars. Comparable value 298. I think that's in US. I don't know. But it's from Coach. And then these shoes, I had posted them on my Instagram story, and I have a highlight section on my Instagram profile called gift ideas. So he said the day I posted the boots on Instagram is the day he ordered them for me, and he was just hiding them. Yeah, so after a long draining day, this was nice to come home to. So we're gonna unbox it together. Take out this plastic. Okay. Open her up. You have the Coach wrapper. Has a little coat. I love this little detail right here. So when I'm wearing my jeans and I tuck it in, you see the little Coach logo. The zipper also has Coach written on there. It is gold hardware. It's a nice chunky heel with a nice little platform. So even though it, because this heel is very high. This heel is very high, so the platform is going to offset a little bit of that height and discomfort. Zipper on the side. Let me take out the stuffing. It's a beige leather interior with the Coach on the sole. Again, it is a size 9. Let me get the other foot out. Hold on. I don't want to put the boot directly on my bed. The other foot. That's them right there. Yes, yes, yes. Okay. Oh my gosh. All right. And then on the bottom of the boot, it does say Coach with the size right there. Okay, got it? Got it? Good. Okay. But this is them. I'm gonna post a clip of me trying it on because I can't lie to you guys. I did try it on this one foot because I was so excited. But the fit, I'm not gonna hold you. It's true to size. With these, if you're going to wear socks, which you should because the interior is leather, so your foot is going to sweat, wear your thinnest socks possible, if maybe even wear stockings, okay? Yes, I do live in Fort Lauderdale. Yes, it is hot 90% of the year. but having a good boot to go out if it's the chillier times, like, let me make this box. Here we go. In the chillier times, like in like December, January, February, it's a little bit colder during that time. So if I'm ever going out to like a dinner or a party or whatever, I feel like these boots are too cute. I'll put a little clip of, or I'll try to put a clip of me trying on one foot of the boot so you can see how high it is, because it's significantly high. And then these are going to replace the cheaper boots that I have. Oh, let me pull this up. These are going to replace the little cheapy boots that I have. I'll probably donate those, because at the end of all of this, like, again, I'm a middle-aged woman, right? I am in the era of upgrading my closet piece by piece, especially my accessories. So my shoes, my purses, I want to go higher end. Not all at once, of course, because we have to budget. We have children, okay? But yeah, higher end shoes and purses. Clothes, neither here nor there for me. Jeans, yes. Jackets, yes. Higher end. But like blouse and them things there, rainbow, yeah. What else did I want to say? Yeah, as far as jewelry, finer jewelry, and yeah, less costume jewelry. But yeah, those are the boots. I hope you liked this video. This was honestly such a pleasant surprise to come home to. I'm very happy with the square toe. Yes, 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 yes. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, let's turn them this way. Peace, sign, and kissy face. Bye.